Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's lecture, we are diving into an exciting and essential topic in the world of modern technology, the integration of Internet of Things or IoT within Management Information System, also known as MIS. We will explore how IoT is changing the game in various industries by improving data collection, operational efficiency, and decision making. IoT, short for the Internet of Things, refers to the connection of physical devices through the Internet. These devices collect and exchange data, creating vast networks that allow industry to gain real time insights into their operations. When integrated into MIS, IoT takes data collection and analyze to the next level. Real time monitoring. One of the major benefits of IoT is real time monitoring. With IoT enabled devices, business can track their equipment, inventory, and operation instantly. For example, in a manufacturing plant, IoT sensors on machine can continuously send data about their condition, performance, and even usage rate. This real-time feedback helps manager make informed decisions quickly, leading to more efficient management and, importantly, reduce downtime. Predictive maintenance. Next, we have predictive maintenance. Now, this is a real game changer. IoT data allows organization to identify potential issue before they become actual problem. By analyzing the data from IoT devices, business can predict when a device or equipment is likely to fail, allowing them to schedule maintenance before the failure occurs. So, integrating IoT into MIS means more than just gathering data, it's about improving your ability to make smarter decisions based on real time information and predictive analysis. To wrap up, IoT integration into management information system allows business to enhance their data collection capabilities, increase efficiency, and streamline operations. As industry become more connected, leveraging IoT in MIS will only to be an invaluable tool for growth and optimization. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content on emerging technologies.